Hi, for this question, what we have here is a rectangular that is divided into four triangle EFGH as shown in the diagram. And the question give you is that the ratio of E and F is 2 is to 3 and the ratio of F and G is 2 is to 3 as well. So you notice that based on the information given, there's nothing mentioned about H, and you are supposed to find the ratio of the area of AF for area of F to the area of H. And so this is how you're supposed to do it. If you look at the information given, you have the ratio of E to F and you have the ratio of F to G. So if you notice there's something that's common, there's F. So we have ratio of E to F is 2 is to 3 and ratio of F to G is 2 is to 3 as well. So what we need to do is for such question, if F is the common item that is not changed between the two ratio, all you need is to make F to be the same. Okay, so in this case, I take the original 2 is to 3, I multiply by 2, and I get EF is 4 is to 6. For F is to G, 2 is to 3, I multiply it by 3 and I get F is to G is 6 is to 9. Okay, so the main trick comes here. Okay, what is the relationship of H to the rest of the three triangle? And this is a basic concept that a lot of students may not be aware of. So whenever you have a triangle, whenever you have a rectangle, okay, and if you have a triangle inside, okay, and the starting point is always at the corner of the base and it touch on top. Okay, so if you have any of these triangle that looks like that, um, the area of the yellow or the area of the red is always equal to each other. So these two yellow add up will equal to this red. These three yellow add up will equal to these two red, and so on. Okay, and this explains why when we say the area of triangle is half base times height. Base times height is basically a rectangle, so the area of triangle is actually half the base. Okay, multiplied by the height. So if you look at it, the base is this, the height is this. So if you have this base multiplied by this height, this base multiplied by this height, it ends up is the same as you have the total base multiplied by the height. That's explain why in this case uh, EG, okay, which is the yellow, is always equal to FH. So now you know that E and G, F, you have 4 plus 9 is equal to 6 plus H. And easily you can get H is equal to 7. So once you know H is equal to 7, the ratio of F is to H is 6 is to 7. Okay, so that's complete part 1. For part 2, we are given the information that H is 168 centimeters square. And since we know that H is 7 parts or 7 unit, we can always calculate what is 1 unit, which is equal to 24. Okay, and the total area is nothing but E plus F plus G plus H. So you add up all the unit, you have 26, and you know U is 24, which you have computed on top, and hence the total area of triangle is, the total area of the figure is 624 centimeters square. So hope that's helped. Thank you.